ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਵਿੱਚ 16 ਮਈ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 18 ਮਈ ਤੱਕ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਰੀਅਲ ਸਟੇਟ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਮੈਟਰੋ ਕਨਵੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਇਸ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਰੀਦਾਰ, ਵੇਚਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਅਤੇ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕੋ ਮੰਚ ਤੇ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਪੁਰਜ਼ੋਰ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏਗਾ।
ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਤੇ ਨਵੇਕਲਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। 16 ਮਈ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 18 ਮਈ ਤੱਕ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਰੀਅਲ ਏਸਟੇਟ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਬਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੱਗਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਇਹ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਬਿਸ਼ਨ, ਇਸ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ ਮੁਹੰਮਦ ਕਦੂਮੀ। Hello and welcome to BTC.
Thank you for having me.
Mohammed, we would like to ask, what is this exhibition all about?
Just to give you a quick understanding, is that we do international exhibitions around the world, mainly in world-class cities like Dubai, Kuwait, London. We participate in shows in Shanghai and such. And this year, we see Canada as the next place to be and the next world-class city. So we decided to launch our first North American Expo in Toronto, Canada.
Why you have chosen Canada and specifically Toronto for this event?
You know, seeing the political changes around the world and the real estate market shifts happening around the world, North America seems to be the next place to be, and safety, security, and stability when it comes to investment in business or into real estate. So with that being said, taking a look at North America as a whole, we recognize Toronto as one of the best and fastest growing cities in North America, which is why we decided to host our event here. With that being said, it's the most diverse city in North America. This is one of the greatest places to be, and we just want people to really recognize what Toronto has to offer, not only in its real estate and investment opportunities, but how it brings Canada and a bigger part of North America together. So.
Okay, talking about the exhibition, what we can understand is there will be sellers, there will be investors, we can get that.
Yeah, so about the show, the expo is very simple. This brings together exhibitors and end users. And it's a great networking opportunity. And the organization of these expos is to bring together under one roof all exhibitors who want to present their product and service to the local or international market. We advise them that this is one of the best places to do so. This way you get a really good understanding of what the market has to offer. They get maximum exposure to present their product and service to the local market. And for the international market, it gives people a date in their calendar where they can come visit Toronto, Canada, and find everything within that industry under one roof. So the message that we want to deliver with all of this is convenience. This is the one place where you can come and see everything you need to see in the real estate industry under one roof in 3 days, accessible for the general public. And we invite everybody, either you're an investor, end user, or a potential buyer, or just looking to network. This is the place where you'll get the maximum potential and return on your investment.
From last few months, we have seen the housing market, specifically in Toronto, is going up. And what we are seeing is foreign investors, they are mainly investing. Is it also one of the reasons you have chosen Toronto? Because foreign investors are already coming in and they are investing here.
Now, foreign investors coming or going, that is a hot topic today. The real estate market is a hot topic, but today we're not just focused on the real estate market as the housing. So yes, we invite people from around the world to come see what the real estate industry has to offer, but we're also focusing on different aspects of the real estate industry, the services. So today when you look at a foreign buyer, what comes with a foreign buyer comes with a whole variety of services that they need, from property management to banking to accounting. So we want to recognize these services that are very, very important for the success of the real estate industry, which is why
all these service vendors will also be present there.
Yeah, and exactly. So this is it. So coming to this event, you get a whole perspective of what the real estate industry has to offer. So coming to an exhibition like this, you would expect to see cities, municipalities, governments presenting their cities for a good place to live. You'll find the builders, developers presenting you with housing, condominiums, lawyers, banks, mortgage specialists, property management, interior design. So everything you need within the real estate industry, either it is to purchase an asset or it is to better that asset. Either it's a second home that you want to purchase or you want to grow your business. This is what we're trying to promote, other than a specific focus on the housing.
Thank you so much, and we wish you all the very best for the event.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having us.